Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix allow camera access missing on iPhone apps. Let's get started. First, open your settings app on your phone, then scroll down and find privacy and security option. Here, tap camera and make sure the switch next to the app you're using is turned on. If the app doesn't appear on the list, go back and open the app settings directly from the settings menu and select the app, then look for the camera option. If it's still missing, try reinstalling the app. And also, you can make sure that iPhone is updated. Just go to the settings and click General and tap the software update and install any available update. Sometimes, missing permissions appear after updating. And that's it. After doing this, the Allow Camera Access option should now show up on your iPhone apps. Try these steps and your camera permissions should return. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.